How can you optimize your shared hosting server? Shared hosting is one of the most popular hosting platforms available today and powers numerous websites. Although it is an efficient performer, you can make it better and run faster with a few tweaks. Let's look at some ways of optimizing your shared hosting server for efficiency and faster page loads. Implement caching. Caching creates a cache of your website data, either on the hosting server or on the user's machine. The next time that user visits your site, data loads from cache, resulting in faster page load speeds. Limit user uploads. Many interactive sites allow users to upload data which accumulate over time and affect server performance. Set a limit for the data they can upload and delete old files which are no longer used. Use expires header. Most browsers delete cache if a website is not visited for a preset time interval. Use expires header to set your own time interval and maintain your website's fast page load speeds. Optimize logging tools. Many shared hosting plans bundle a logging tool to help you with your website's analytics. The log files pile up over time and drag down server performance if not deleted in time. Keep it simple. Websites with intricate functionality need a lot of resources to work as intended and perform smoothly. It is best to create a simple website that will not strain the available resources. Reseller Club's shared hosting bundles powerful cPanel and enhanced Cloudflare security with 24/7 support. Get a lightning-fast hosting platform with easily upgradable resources and one-click app installations.